Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to elaborate our feelings, our emotions. There are 10 basic emotions, basic human emotions by Dr. Sigmund Freud, as well as Edward de Bono, Carl Jung, and everyone in the domain. All the legends have described basically 10 basic human emotions. Though there are some additions also, but basic human emotions are regarded fundamentally 10. Why they are known as basic human emotion? Because they are most basic, they are innate, they are intrinsic, they are all congenital, they are natural. We cannot develop it, we cannot buy it, borrow it, beg it, we cannot do anything about them. They are all natural, they are all innate, they are kind of spontaneous, powerful flow of our emotion. So these are the 10 basic human emotions that we are going to elaborate today. Very fundamental, very essential, very strong subject, not only to know, just to get knowledge about it or get familiar about it or get familiarity about it, but most important thing is to know about them and also try to implement them, try to manage them, try to adjust them, try to control them. Some of the emotions out of these 10 emotions that we can express or we must express, like love. But some others are that we cannot express, like hate, like anger, like fear, like disgust. These are the emotions which are hidden emotions and we should keep them hidden. We cannot express them in the public to anyone unless and until you are trying to turn that person your fierce enemy. We don't want anyone to become our fierce enemy. So we should express only positive emotions and suppress all the negative emotion. That is what the Buddha has also said. Suppress all the basic negative emotions. Express only basic positive emotions. So we are going to elaborate one emotion at a time, and number one is anger. Edward de Bono has said, anger is a basic emotion, but you need someone else, some nasty, some very ugly person to trigger it. He has said we don't become angry, but someone actually triggers our anger. We become angry on account of someone else. Someone else actually is the culpable to make us angry. Otherwise, humans' basic emotion, anger, is most of the time suppressed. It's already suppressed, it never comes to the fore, and we never express it unless and until we become furious. But someone else is responsible. We are not responsible for anger. Someone else is responsible to make us angry by insulting us, by humiliating us, by embarrassing us, by any way. Other person is actually touching our raw nerve, and we become angry. Not according to me, according to Edward de Bono. Number two, fear. American president has said, fear of fear. Fear of fear means most of the time we are fearful of something absolutely unsubstantiated, totally redundant, totally useless thing. Now we are fearful going to interview. Why we are fearful of going to interview? Some people are fearful in darkness. Some people are fearful looking at the dog. Some people are fearful looking at the lightning, darkness, thunder. Some are fearful looking at the police officer. Most of the students, in 99.9% of the students, are fearful to teacher. Teacher may be the damn friendly teacher, but still, students don't respond in the same connotation. They don't become friendly because they are fearful. So it is fear of fear itself. Point number 3 is disgust. We discuss something, but that same thing is not disgusted by others. In America, they love to drink alcohol, but the Indian people going over there, most of Indians going to America, they disgust alcohol. So one thing can be disgusting for one person, same thing can be besotted, loving thing for other person. Happiness. Happiness has also so many connotation, so many variants. Some people are happy because they are educated, and other people are happy because they have rickshaw. So happiness has many facets, many faces. Some people are happy because they have car. Other people are happy because they have just an MBA degree. So happiness can be sourced from so many various sources. Number 5 is sadness. Sadness has also number of variants, number of distinction, number of facets. Some people are sad just because his hero, cricket hero, lost or Sachin did not strike 4. And other people become sad when they flunk in examination. So sadness is also number of sources that we are going to source the sadness like happiness. Surprise. S has also many different meanings, different connotations. Some people surprise when someone who is average student and stands first in the board or stands one of the 10th in the board. And other people surprise when someone falls walking on the road. Some people surprise when they have good fortune. Other people surprise when they have a bicycle. Surprise has also various connotation. Contempt. Contempt has also various meanings, various sources. Some people contempt someone, but other people are going to love that person. Like contemporary example I can give you is Trump. Half of the American contempt Trump, and half of the American love Trump with the same passions. So it is also various people, various feeling. Number 8 is joy. Joy has also different connotation. Some people will derive joy out of going to some public park on Sunday evening. Some people from the movie, and some people are going to derive joy out of getting computer, laptop, buying a book. Joy comes from various things. Some people derive joy out of seeing the face of someone they love. So joy has also multiple sources to derive. Excitement. Excitement is also the same way. Some people get excited by watching a movie. Other people excited by getting success, getting job, getting good grades in examination, excited by buying a car, or excited seeing their loved one getting good grades or successful. Last point is feeling. Our feeling can be, we can love someone or loathe someone. Both are our feeling. Shakespeare has said, we love some reason, and some reason we loathe. There is no reason for love or loathe. We fall in love without any reason, and we hate someone without reason. Half of the American, again I will give you the same example, that half of the Americans hate or loathe Trump passionately, and half of the Americans love Trump passionately. So love and loathe, both are the flip side of the same coin. Both sides of the same coin, but love and loathe, both spring up in our sanctum sanctorum without any reason, without any cause, without any rhyme, without any causation. Just spontaneous, powerful feeling. So love and a lot. So these are the 10 basic human emotions that we are born with. They're congenital. We don't develop them. Just they are there. Half of the emotions are negative emotions, so we should suppress them. We must not express them. And half of the emotions are such that we must express them. We must not suppress them. That's all the time we have today. Tomorrow again we are going to pick up some other subject and elaborate. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet. Thank you for listening. Bye.